I'd like to extend my greetings. Thank you for making time in your busy schedule to be here today. Sustainable Design Camp has begun as the international workshop on architecture and urban design of Graduate School of Human Environment Studies, Kyushu University, since 2008, and we devote much effort. Students made strong effort to conduct a field survey, analyze the target area, and make design solutions, proposals, and presentations. The design-oriented students and the engineering-oriented students would have collaborated on each process through intensive brainstorming to propose a green urbanism. The attempt at the combined approach of design and engineering is an ideal way in light of developing sustainable environmental cities. Although all the proposals for urban redevelopment by each group have been carefully considered, I'm pleased and proud of the success of the International Workshop on Architecture and Urban Design. Finally, I'd like to extend our gratitude to all of professors and many others who helped us for their massive support in conducting this project. Thank you very much. ありがとうございます。
So we will start explain about master plan. Our concept is enjoy Nijo on the road. The first is pre-analysis. Itoshima is located in the western Fukuoka, bordering Fukuoka City, Saga City, and Karachi City. The northern part of Itoshima has a beautiful coastline facing the Genkai Sea, and south is the mountain ranges.
The building A and B will be remodeled to local specialty market, and also it can provide new workplace for local people. B is community library and C is existing leather workshop. The blue area is the bus station, and the building next to station will provide service like lending bicycle. These old buildings can be utilized by everyone, including residents and tourists.
And we do the more specific design about coastal line, and here is the the future that we want image about this section. And we also did some perspective pictures about this area, like camping area, cycling area, and the movie events that I talked about earlier.
Okay, yeah, thank you for the hard work. The idea of your master plan was quite convincing, but that idea was based on the current situation of Japan, which is shrinking. The population is decreasing. Also, that the economy is not as strong as like a bubble economy time. However, in the future, probably because of the Kyushu University, also that the initiative of the new enterprise, also that the startup companies, probably some economical booming may happen. If that happens, you didn't propose any restrictions or constraints. So you know that the Gakken, Kyudai Gakkenmai station, in front of the station there are awful developments out of control in a way, and also that the farmlands are kind of converted to some details and also the factories or something like that. So 6年 Fukae, you are kind of arranged as a hub station between the urban area in the east, and also that the natural area in the West. So 22年FUKUOKA could be that the kind of target point by the greedy developers in the future, possibly. So I will be more secured or feel more comfortable if you propose some constraints, how to prevent that the random development, preserving that the harmony with nature. But overall, in a week, you made it really interesting project. Thank you so much. And also, congratulations.
This year, we cannot go to Japan because the COVID-19, for us, we cannot go to Japan. But for me, it's worry about because I just online to check the map, only for the map. And I cannot go to the site. So it's something that's image, just only for image. So if maybe something too wrong, it's not good opinion for this program. So please recheck that. I think that's important. For designers, we should go to that place. I think that's important. So I just for my memory, and because when I'm a foreigner student in Japan, I go to there several times, but just in my memory, and go to check with the internet. So for students, they can communicate with a foreigner student and work together. I think that is good. So if next year, I think we want to go to Japan and back to Japan and with the workshop with everybody. Thank you very much. 来年ぜひ行きたいと思います。はい、ありがとうございました。
The keywords are relaxing, enjoying a peaceful life, enjoying nature, presenting a variety of viewpoints. They have given important suggestions as one of future directions of Nijo. I hope that the Nijo area is not just a transit point between Fukuoka City and Karachi City, but also an area where the residents and visitors can enjoy the refined nature and culture. The same can be said for the Itoshima Peninsula as a whole, but the Nijo region, which is particularly rich nature, has a dynamic environment that cannot be seen anywhere else. In Nijo, I hope that the environment will be carefree, nurtured, and that will become a beautiful area like no other. We thank you again for joining us today. Thank you very much. 정말 고마워요. 谢谢大家. Thank you very much.